Hi, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through how to customize your Shopify checkout page from basic to advanced options. Whether you're new to Shopify or looking to enhance your checkout experience, this video will guide you step by step. Now, let's start by heading to the settings section in your Shopify admin, then select checkout. Here, you can decide how much customer information you want to collect during checkout. For example, do you want to require customers to create an account or should they check out as guests? These options can help streamline the buying process and improve your conversion rates. Now, let's move on to address collection preferences. This setting allows you to choose when to collect the customer's address either before or after the shipping address. Adjusting this can help simplify the checkout process based on your store's needs. Next, we have abandoned checkout emails. This feature sends reminder emails to customers who leave items in their cart without checking out. It's an easy way to recover potential sales by encouraging them to complete their purchase. You can also customize the appearance of your checkout page through your theme settings. For example, you can add your brand logo, change the color scheme, and add custom HTML content to make the checkout experience more personalized. Once you've made all the changes, be sure to test your checkout process to ensure everything is working as expected. You can preview the checkout process before finalizing the changes. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you have a fully customized Shopify checkout page. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Shopify tips.